So you guys intend to finish today?
Yeah.
To finish it today? Oh, okay. Amen.
You want to remember and I say, why were you I telling you we can do it by way I didn't know. Yeah, you want to do it where I ought to be and the other guy is doing. The other guy who what we ain't yet. You won't give a few more. I went by a few. The end was there. Telling people out here again. Now, I get Moses. One of the devil granted for.
Who our man Moses?
Yeah. Yeah, you can buy a young thing. I will give food.
Oh. Wow. So how many days work here, so?
1 week, 2 days. Yes. And then we only good more.
1 week.
Christmas week will go all the way to any part of the week. They said it was not 1 week.
Well, boss, better yes, so the best see the boss, man. So no deputy.
No deputy.
So no deputy.
No deputy.
No deputy. I see.
Coming well. So that way, because I only coming well go Hong Kong. I will take last one more day back around. HCA. Don't forget about in the evening. In the evening. In the evening. In the evening. In the evening, I will not go, will coming well in the evening, The enemy that there, Put the enemy that girl, my dad will cook in the let you honor. I hold you.
Where via there is the septic and deacon of the Tree of Life Mission House, located here in Boston, Robertsfield Highway, or if you may Marshall, Maggie County, the Republic of Liberia. This young man been working for the past 1 week, as according to them. Deacon's place, as you can see it in here, have a lot of rocks, and to penetrate the ground is very difficult, or was very difficult for them. But however, due to call to duty, they have to do what they can do, and we are so appreciative of them for the level of work carried out here. As you can see, thank you for watching.